Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video. All right, so the next one is Instacart shoppers are quitting left and right. What do you think about that, Izzy?
Oh, I've never used Instacart before. Like, I don't have an app or an account or anything.
Oh, it's really cool. I mean, you can order groceries and it's delivered right to your door within an hour or two.
Yeah, but I'm not lazy, so I'll just get the groceries myself.
Well, do you ever use Uber Eats?
I mean, not really nowadays.
But have you
Not that
before?
much. I mean, yeah, but
So
it's
you are
like,
lazy.
Okay. Anyways, so the Great Resignation. Why people
I'm
are
just kidding.
quitting and how
I'm
Instacart's
serious.
different.
Why don't you want to use grocery delivery? You like shopping.
Well, I mean, I don't know. I like walking through the store.
It's kind of like fun. Especially when you
Well,
go
like, I don't know. I feel like when you're walking around, you get ideas of like new things you might want to eat or try.
Yeah.
And then it's like, if I'm trying to like remember what I want to buy and have to look it up, I'm not going to get everything that I need.
Yeah, or sometimes you go to Trader Joe's and it's like, oh, they got pumpkin spice, cinnamon rolls. I want to try those,
That's so funny you say that, because right before we started this live stream, I was like, oh, I want to go get pumpkin spice cinnamon.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I found some on the Whole Foods website.
I really wanted to make pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls.
Same. I was gonna buy frozen ones from Whole Foods.
You should.
To put in the oven.
Yeah. I made normal cinnamon rolls like a couple weeks ago. Like we bought the frozen ones or whatever and put them in the oven. Oh my god.
They're so good.
Yeah, and then it was like pumpkin spice or pumpkin ones or whatever, and I was like, oh.
Yeah.
So I might do that.
I love pumpkin spice.
Yeah, maybe I'll low-key do that. Dang, I'm craving that. I'll do that for breakfast tomorrow. Will you do it at night?
Yeah, I'm gonna have some tonight.
All right, let's hurry up and finish the stream then. Okay, you want to read this one?
Yeah, so recently there's been a lot of buzz around the term Great Resignation. Maybe you or a loved one has made the difficult decision to leave their job due to toxic culture, job insecurity and reorganization, failure to recognize performance, or a lack of response to COVID-19. The reality: we shouldn't have to stay locked in a job where we're treated poorly. If you're looking for work that offers flexibility, health resources to help with COVID-19, and a positive experience, our research has led us to Instacart. So Instacart is a technology company that provides a platform that connects customers wanting to purchase goods with retailers who sell goods.
Yeah. So, yeah, why? So is this article about why Instacart shoppers are quitting, or about why people are?
No, it's about why people are quitting in general, and then it's like why you should do Instacart.
Gotcha. I was confused for a second. Yeah. There's there. I mean, so a lot. So the thing is, a lot of people are quitting their jobs to shop for Instacart. So.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, like you can make a lot of money as an Instacart shopper. And it's fun, like you said, like you enjoy shopping, like you can actually go and shop for people and get ideas for food. recipes. See what other people's are ordering for their food. Get ideas from them.
Yeah.
Like I did Instacart one time and somebody ordered like some random milk that I've never like I never even heard of that milk before. And you always see like some weird milk, but you're like, who buys that stuff? And then some Instacart customer bought it, and so we got it for him. Okay, you want to read this part?
Yeah, so this is why Instacart is good. It's better than your regular job. 1, there's a positive environment because you're your own boss. While you work, you can have as little or as much contact with others as you want, which leaves room for a healthy environment. If you like to chat more with the grocery store employees and the people you're delivering to, you can, but if you don't, there's no pressure to do so. 2, you have control over your work-life balance. With Instacart, you choose your own hours. So if you want to spend time with your kids after school, you can do that. And if you don't want to work weekends, you don't have to. Your schedule is completely in your control. 3, Instacart has resources to help with COVID-19. Instacart has taken steps to offer shoppers resources like a vaccine support stipend, free COVID-19 assessments, and telemedicine appointments, and working with retailers to help create safer working environments for shoppers. So then you also have the opportunity to earn more tips.
So there's this thing on Reddit about this. So you're not sure if it's just me, but Instacart basically relies on the customer tips to make the work actually workable. Like if you think about it, basically every batch. So that's, you talked about the pros. Let's talk about the cons for a second. So if you're not getting tipped on your batches, you're not making a lot of money. So you're really reliant on, they're saying it's like restaurant wait staff out there. I mean, another downside is sometimes it's not that busy, It's the same thing with Uber. You're not always going to have really good days.
Yeah, it's not consistent.
Yeah.
If only they got guaranteed pay.
Through an app called?
Solo.
Solo? What is Solo?
So if you guys didn't know this, Solo is the business app for gig workers, and they will actually guarantee your pay. So they'll give you an estimate of how much they think you'll make. And if you don't meet that estimate, they'll pay you the difference. And they do other things like help you track miles, help you prepare for filing taxes, just stuff like that. So it works for like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash. There's like a few different apps that you can link to it. But yeah, we'll have a link down below if you want to sign up. And if you use that link to sign up, you'll actually get $10 sent to you for free.
Wow, $10. That's cool.
Yeah.
And it's available everywhere in the country. Cool. So that's why Instacart shoppers are quitting.